Alright, y'all, in today's video,
I be looking good. I be gripping brain, nigga. I be gripping wood. Okay. Hey. My seven. I'm gripping in my seven. Okay. I'm flossing in my seven. I'm riding in my.
alright, so the other day I was telling y'all we put that new fuel pressure regulator on there. We're gonna see if it'll go without cutting off. Like I said, in the past, we hadn't even been able to get down the street around the cul-de-sac without it cutting off, so we gonna see. The brakes in this motherfucker is 30, baby. It's not as bad, but still bad. Still cut off. Let's see, so what is... So is that like fuel starvation? Because it's when you hit the turn, or what you think? Let's try it again. It sounded like, or it was trying to do a little better than last time. But it seems that the cul-de-sac is damn near the test. See? And I don't know if that's, like, why is that? That's why. Alright, let me back it in. Alright, so we got it backed in. I think it's still a tad bit of a fuel delivery issue, but ain't nothing that we can't get sorted out. Just like we gotta get finished getting rid of the last of these little wasp nests and things. So this thing, I gotta get another one of these. I'm pretty sure it's covered under warranty. Because the one on my other car broke somehow. I don't know how that happened. But yeah, something with the fuel. Let me just look up here. Nothing looks Nothing looks out of place. Nothing looks out of place. Nothing's leaking. So that is a good sign. I know that's kind of loose on there, so I don't know if maybe that's the issue, but we would have to see about procuring another PCV line to put on there. But in the past, it was never an issue, so I'm trying to see what's different now than it was then and make it work. But like I said, we'll get it figured out. We always do. It might take us a little bit, but we are people of troubleshooting skill set. I mean, we're gonna figure it out.